What is a liquor license?
A liquor license is a license that gives you the availability, the operator, to sell to the public for consumption. Who needs a liquor license, you may ask? Any restaurateur, market, grocery store, gas station, anyone who runs an operation where they want to sell alcohol retail will require a liquor license. The ABC, or Alcohol Beverage Control, is the state agency that we process the liquor licenses through. Depending on the type of business you're operating will dictate the type of liquor license you need. If you're a market, you're gonna need a type 20 or 21. If you're a restaurant, you're gonna need a 41 or a 47. If you're a bar, you're gonna need a 42 or a 48. A beer and wine versus a full liquor license. A beer and wine only is exactly what it comes off as, beer and wine only. If you're a 41 for a restaurant, again, you can only sell beer and wine. If you're full liquor, that allows you the availability to sell to the public retail, beer, wine, and spirits.